Yeah, for me today, I'm working on a few new parts designs for the Focbox Unity. I've got to get quotes for the new case for it. I've got to finish the design a little bit on it. So I'll be trying to get that done. But yeah, man, it's nice here. I don't know where I'm living at the moment on the Gold Coast. It's sunny, man. I don't know how hot it is out there today, but it's still... So, tell me a little bit about what you did at university. Bachelor of Finance, the higher level stuff, the strategy behind it and planning and, you know, the functionality of the big picture stuff I'm a fan of. And I know to make the big picture stuff work, you do need basic fundamentals. One of the things that we need to get better at though is our forecasting and our planning for, you know, buying materials, matching that expenditure with the revenues, and also matching our production schedules to what the sell-through rates are. It's something that needs to be managed on a daily basis.
Cool, man. I'm gonna get some pizza.
Enjoy.
It's kind of depressing outside. We got it. We got it. Avo veg pizzas. Here's your receipt.
Looks fresh. Veggies and shit on it. They really need to work out how to make cheese without milking cows. Problem solved. I'm talking like chemically produce it in a lab. Cheese you'd think would be easy because it's just a block of fat.
Yeah.
How are you, Jane? Now that part, our previous supplier of the truck was doing the assembly. I think with this new supplier, workshop will need to be doing the assembly of the base plate and the hanger. As soon as they have a sample, I'm gonna need to see it. It has to be sent to Australia immediately. In the skateboard was, I had it, it had big like black, big, yeah. And the truck, yeah. So can we? Well, just send it to our freight forwarder. They'll sort it out, or we'll get them to pick it up or whatever. But it just, as long as it's in the box with my address or something on it, we can get it picked up. Cash flow in the business doesn't allow us to buy $500,000 worth of parts in 1 month, right? You just can't buy that many parts in 1 month because you don't have $500,000. So the procurement process happens over 4 or 5 months, generally. What you need to do is the parts with the longest lead time. So say batteries, if you order a batch of 500 batteries, they're gonna probably say that they need 2 months. The bearings or some bolts and screws and whatnot, maybe only you need 2 weeks to get that, right? Can you, at a guess, tell me how many parts go into a Raptor 2, just a guess? Every time we want to build 1 Raptor or 500 Raptors, we need to basically purchase the bill of materials, which consists of like 70 different parts, right? Each of the different parts has a different lead time, and some parts are really, really expensive, some parts are super cheap. But what we need to do is, when we plan for this, is to make sure the plan factors in what our cash flow allows it to So we've already got some systems in place. Maybe they can be improved. One of the variables that we need is accurate lead times from our suppliers. So we're going to have to do a lead time audit and go back to all of our suppliers and say, look, realistically, what is your actual lead times for this? And then probably add a week to that. Everything that's in the current month should be the stuff that we need to pay for to get the next assembly run made. We have bi-weekly meetings with our production team. So yeah, let's leave it at that for now.
Do you want to bring it down for him?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah. I don't have these. And I'll paper.
Oh, you okay?
I will paper. I just need a paper. Sorry. And I'll paper. I just need a paper. And I'll paper. Beep. 500. It's 500. That's how many it is. Put two bars.
What do you got?
The veggie bar.
Veggie bar. Now let's open it. But you need to share. Yeah,
What is it? Hazelnut chocolate.
Thoughts?
Chocolatey. Want some?
Yum.
Is it good?
Yeah.